Hi everyone, I'm Lenny, and for today's video, we're going to talk about cerebellum and their four lobes of the cerebrum of their function. What is cerebrum? The cerebrum is the largest part of the human brain, and it's involved in intellectual function such as memory, attention, awareness, thought, language, and consciousness. So let's take a look at the four lobes of the cerebrum. We have the frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe, and the cerebellum. And let's look at what they involve in. The frontal lobe is involved in processes such as reasoning, planning, speech, movement, emotion, and the problem solving. So these are the types of things that are happening in the frontal lobe. Let me give you a math problem. Can you calculate the sum? 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5. Did you get the right answer? So the frontal lobe controls problem solving and intellectual activities. So right now, to this problem, your frontal lobe was actively involved. Some other functions are that this frontal lobe controls attention, judgment, behavior, and muscle movement. So now, let's test our muscle movement. Are you ready? On my command, quickly raise your right hand. Good! So your frontal lobe is functioning really well. Let's move to the next lobe. This highlighted lobe here is called the parietal lobe. And do you know what it controls? Wait, let's take a test to see if it's function well. So you have to do as I say. Pinch yourself as hard as possible. Come on, do it quickly. Did that hurt? Did you sense any pain? So where your parietal lobe senses pain, it also in visual function, such as reading and understanding statement. So the next called a temporal lobe. It controls the visual and auditory memories. Do you want to test this lobe too? Okay. So all that you have to do is listen to the statement, memorize it well, and repeat it later. Are you ready? Here we go. Simon will cycle to the market and bring tomatoes for his mother. Now, repeat. Simon will cycle to the market and bring tomatoes for his mother. Did you get it right? You are brilliant. Let's move ahead. The fourth and the last lobe is the occipital lobe. It helps in recognition of colors, vision, integration, and visual information. Now, let's take a test to see if it's function. What is the color of your shirt? It's green. Good. What is the color of your short? It's black. Very good. So now, let's talk about the function of cerebellum. Cerebellum controls essential body like coordination, balance, and posture that allow to move properly. Do you want to test this lobe too? Can you dance? It means your cerebellum function well. So we're quickly completed. Bye!